interesting discussion. Economy and I say yeah recover na se gina de gina. Yen sha se mfi en sha yen ko ye chinko bomponko. Yen hwe ba bi ehwe ase. Na Ghana ahokyere ahyase ye den eba. But the peak of ahokyere no you could do in the month of October 2022. So mbeka October 2022 date ni mi remfi da. Me kai say me chiba unfortunate na akromfobo ntu a me ye na within week ni ye no ye to ko 4 gallon of oil is it 600 I say 700 by 18th to 20th na could 1000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, some we can say galloping inflation
be eba October enti ya obo amani ni nuamo no mu ye news no mu ta frame na me no mu di nkomo about my background na me appeal to the president say all the economic tools and methods here they stabilize inflation ya apply enye enti government should adopt kind of saying moral situation whereby on by appeal to the public through to me call the president I think late October and about address the nation
and it's really
or addressing nation no and anyama ye then a tough form. If free one we've enjoyed some level of stability. A beer air bar even Christmas and nyama and jump bebre. And that is where we are moving from. Now yaba bewura June Emma IMF support then aba. So when say IMF bailout, I shall say make impact and I say na say make impact. Let's use indicators. And the key indicator, so share ya shafi as in inflation shall say a drop it. A drop ya be do 41.2.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, last month I said to Ninako ne Chibako 42.2. Enti HSE untimi fa IMF bailout no enyina so nkansen bebre. Another factor, so share baby pa na Ghana fo nyina wo gidie say IMF bailout at the stability beba na ye CD dollar relationship.
That's right.
Unfortunately, yentimi nya stability. Mi kuta figures ni bi wa ha as a 7 June where Bank of Ghana did.
That's right.
Na o ton US dollar obeton no 10 cedis 96 pesos.
That's right.
Ni following the same I can say now just this week which is 26 and I know Enra said
that was 2 days ago.
2 days ago. Dollar is now quota increase to 10 cedis 99 pesos almost 11 cedis. What this means is that even despite IMF injection no still dollar
is shaky
rate either so unstable a kosoro na abafom a kosoro. So clearly economy no the expected and near my pesi no as a result of IMF interjection or intervention
but he was also quick to say it is not a panacea to get out of our woes too early.
Yes.
Yeah, that was a caveat or this
now the ama you enjoy stability no ebiniye what shall globally fuel price are stable
good
enti ama petrol bo an ekosoro ba from 10 compared to last year September October no
the peak of Ukraine Russia war
no eno na e aboa maniema agina din. The second point is that Ghana just like any other country you will lean season between March, April, May, June, July, August biano eno na ekuafo no ewura
from kodabro no megeniane
enti ya na pressure eni soro ho eno na me nwa say dollar no
sila intimi
mafom because omo be kwa import niema for Christmas dodo ana ye na August September October eti do season ni bia na
dollar
epejan mu but this time around ki wole season na dodo
na dollar timba be 9 and 8
tika ye kwayanim na koduru ho no ma nanka ya fa ne say normal demand and supply na abasa. Unfortunately nyansa what I will say is that just as enewa kan no Ghana for ya just ye ho to meet the current hardship no enti na kasa na eden akofom because o kasa ye muya wo a emfa nsusu bia nya den ema enti de obeya ne se obeya just situation na this hoto ayeden abrel me gidi se no ne the major factor ama economy ni ma yeden ayedin no ya na masema probably say me o ma masema do betwa to
fatwa to ma me na yam pick calls no because
IMF,
you want to give them the opportunity
IMF
to
bail out here call ye me ka say IMF di abrobi na politicians emo wo mani nko ho wo hwa IMF na call ya eye niema miensa ana IMF say amo my Ghana yentimi amu ye man yi one COVID-19, 2 Russia Ukraine, the third one per their published paper no was it pre-existing fiscal deficit. It do baby no use the word pre-existing challenges. Such challenges no there be a woman meka from 1966 I call IMF in May 17th 1966 sa problem na ye de pam nkroma na ye de kwa IMF no ebesi ne e da so ho entimasam ne se omumu omani nya den enko na na mo tuo e betimi atuo esese sha si fra adwenim yos Ghana ni bia no anya ne sa emfa ho ne measures a wo de betoto ho sa adwene na ansesa enkoyi
the sad commentary any the populace put pressure on the government to make atrocious promises are they know they don't have the money to do
yes
but
promise.
For the sake when the former president says on share Bob Bibria ne opponents say oni bibia no also try fear no who say economy e wo sese obesebo ne all 4 years the person win here now want to me ya beka say he's the worst it's a smart move